I've got a mixture of graphical information, non-graphical, and like data sets. So to make up the jigsaw, we've got 3 key components, if you like. And one of the things for me is that non-graphical data, the ability to be able to define it digitally, to be able to exchange it digitally, and be able to validate it is really key. And this is where COBie comes in. And for me, COBie, Construction Operation Building Information Exchange. Okay, it's another acronym, but for me it's those last 2 letters. It's an information exchange in a digital format. And I think one of the key things as we move on in terms of journey, it lets all people play. It's got a nice easy point of entry, so many ways of defining your data, many ways of actually exchanging the data, but also I think more importantly, many ways of actually using the data set within the COBie format as well.
Well, what COBie means to Solibri is, I think, 2 things. First of all, it's an opportunity and it's a challenge. To me, COBie is a very, very simple concept. It's simply capturing asset data at the time that it's created. It's a discipline. And the format of COBie is actually presenting that information back to the asset manager or whoever in a very consistent, standardised way, which will enable them to manage the asset in a better way, and equally important to be able to compare similar assets in different geographic locations. I could probably spend another 10 minutes giving you fine definitions, but that's what it means to me, and I think that's what it means to Solibri.
We're well aware that our clients, particularly our public sector clients, want to capture as much as they can about their buildings in terms of their assets and the asset data. And COBie is an excellent mechanism for capturing all the information that you're likely to need about the building or asset.
My view of COBie is that it's a structured data set that ensures that data is provided in a common exchange format that can be used for handover information at the end of a project.
Basically, when a couple of years ago when we implement BS 1192 workflows, the major challenge was checking and validating the models. So from work in progress to shared, the model has to be checked. So there was a need for model checking, and then we used Solibri for validating the data against the model. And we found out that Solibri, we can customize the rule sets, and it gave us a freedom to customize it for like maze workflows, and it was really helpful.
I'd like to introduce our COBie add-on, which was developed directly with customers on real-life projects. It's available through the Solution Centre as a freely available add-on for our subscription users. It gives the ability to actually check the model against a set of defined rules which are in line with the demand matrix, which specifies when a piece of information is meant to be required, but will also check geometry and other components for issues in the model itself. We should be doing this prior to creating the COBie data. It provides a flexible set of mapping which will enable us to actually take data from any authoring system and map that to the standard, which is the export to COBie.
If we think of the way that Solibri works, what is it we actually do with Solibri? We're basically quality assuring the data within a model. Now, from a COBie perspective, what that means is that providing the model is accurate, providing the model is correct, and providing the model has the data that is compliant with the COBie requirement, then we can quite simply map that data into a COBie format.